Okay, the next thing we want to look at in section 4.5 is logarithmic equations. Okay, so if I have log base A of x equals log base A of y, then x must equal y. So if their bases of their logs are the same, then the x and the y must be equal. Okay, so we're going to look at example 7. I've got log of x squared plus 1 equals log of x minus 2 plus log of x plus 3. Okay, so this is what I have, and it looks really, really ugly. It looks long and huge and just, very involved, but it's not. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is write this side with one log. And you'll notice these are common logs, so where a calculator is going to be able to be used if you need one. Okay, so I want to rewrite these as one log. I'm adding, so that means I'm going to multiply those. So that's x minus 2 times x plus 3. Okay, and then this one is still log of x squared plus 1. Okay, now I have one log over here and one log over here. That's what I want. I didn't want the log in two different places on this side, okay? I need a log written one time on the left equals a log with the same base written one time on the right. Once that happens and they have the same base, I can get rid of them. Okay, and what's left is this. Okay, so I'm going to solve this thing. It's not going to be, just trust me, it's not going to be as ugly as it looks. I'm going to do the FOIL method or distribute twice, whichever way you need to do to be able to multiply this binomial times this binomial. But x times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. Negative 2 times x gives me minus 2x. 2 times 3 gives me negative 6. Okay, now I'm going to combine everything that's alike. So on the right-hand side, I've got x squared plus x minus 6. And on this side, I have x squared plus 1. I want to get all of my x's together. When I subtract the x squared from this side to bring it over to the left, they go away. See? Okay, now it's looking a lot nicer, right? So what do I have left? I have 1 equals x minus 6. Okay, so add the 6 to the other side. X is 7. So it turns out pretty nice looking after looking so ugly in the beginning. It just turns out to be a really simple one-step algebra equation. And you're going to see a few of those on your homework. Okay. The last example I want to look at, well, let's do that in another video, so this one's not too long.